putting your valuable time, effort, and energy in watching this video and subscribing this course. So let's see what is there in the introduction, what we all cover in this particular course. So just before starting this introduction, just would like to say that okay, this is still also you can say in early access, and I'll keep on adding material in this particular course because this is a very interesting and a good topic to learn going forward. And we see that okay, there are changes on daily basis, so I'll keep on adding material into this. So in this before the first concept, which is the understand cloud agreements and contracts, I have added a section just to give a base about the cloud computing, that okay, why cloud is there, what is cloud, why this NIST, there is a story behind that, which is a concept which one needs to understand, then detailed about all the characteristics and a shared responsibility model, because in cloud, if we don't understand the shared responsibility model, it is difficult for us to understand the different concepts. So again, the first would be the understand cloud agreement and contracts. Why this is like we have chosen on the number one, because that is where when you'll negotiate with your cloud provider, how to negotiate the contracts, what all terms would be there, what are the major artifacts in case of cloud, what is the importance of SLA in cloud, what all you should mention in the SLA when you send an SLR, service level requirement, to the cloud vendor. So all these things are covered in the first section, and the second section is about cloud asset and secure configuration management, where you will go through that okay, what are the different challenges in case of cloud in discovering the assets, like your Windows machines or your Linux machines or your network appliances, and then the concept of SecDevOps in cloud, how to have a secure configuration management in cloud so that you can your assets are in uh, are updated in the configuration management database as well. And section 3 is about protecting data from unauthorized access, where you'll study different deployment models and security concerns, how to do the media sanitization, how one should do the key management, jurisdiction and location issues, how to check for the various audit reports. So we'll have a demo for that as well. How will you check the audit reports of CSP? In handling incidents in the cloud is about section 4, where we'll check that okay, what should be there in a good incident response plan? How will you check for the in case there is a breach happen? So for the CSP or the cloud service provider or cloud vendor, what is their breach notification? Who will notify the law agencies first in case some breach happens? So that is covered over here. Then incident response process in cloud, and then in case there is some legal hold or some legal requirement, who will give the logs? What kind of support you get from CSP? So all those things are covered in section 4. Then section 5 is also very important, which is about the legal and compliance. So we'll discuss about the different legal issues. From jurisdiction perspective, and then from contractual perspective, then we study the e-discovery challenge in the cloud, how to get the uh, documents which are required by the law or which are required by the court in case of some legal hearing, then in the which regulations to follow in cloud. So all these things will be covering in the section 5. So this is it, friends, in this introduction lecture. So thank you again. Thank you for watching this lecture. Meet you in the next lecture.